Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 16th video. Uh, 16th video in Python for data manipulating, and also our second video in Matplotlib. Uh, in the last video of Matplotlib, we have covered how you can plot a simple line graph. In this video, we are going to we are going to perform multiline plot in Matplotlib. Let me make a new file in here, and I call it Multiline Plot, like this. I'm going to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. After that, I'm going to import numpy. No, we don't need to do numpy, I think. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to define a range of points from 1 to 5. After that, I'm going to plot the first line, plt.plot our x, and I give y times 1.3 for y in x. Okay. I'm going to plot my second line graph like this, y times 2.6 for y in x, and I'm going to plot my third line, x y divided by 2.6 for y in x. Okay. After the plotting, I'm going to show my plots. You can simply write plt.show. Okay. Now if I run this, you can see that now we have three line graph, and the color is determined by Matplotlib, and we have red and also we have green lines in here. Okay, thank you guys. This was our Matplotlib multiline. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and also please for the further videos like my all videos.